Okay, today we're going to be doing a Galaxy 4 screen. It's completely blacked out. We have to replace the LCD. I'm Dustin with TechMD. That's www.tech-md.com. Okay, so as you can notice, sometimes the Chinese send us parts that are not fully assembled. So make sure this is connected and lined up properly, as I'm doing right here. So it's kind of loose. I have to tape it down. You always want to check your displays before working on them. Okay, so pull out the battery, pull off the side. Let's remove the screws. Huh? You don't have a case for that 6 Plus?
Yeah, I do. It's the same one as this. It's just that I took it off.
It's not good, man. Not broken though, right?
No.
Okay, good.
I take care of my phones.
Like your friend here, right? No comment. Did you charge this phone for me?
No, it's dead.
It's dead.
Dead.
Okay. It's not a problem. You're gonna run your tool along 2 frames here and separate it. Follow that. Line up the cable, plug it in. Let's go testing here. I heard it moving. It's a good way to break a brand new part.
Yeah.
We're gonna like pop up like 20,000 messages.
He doesn't like you.
That's what I consider a bad screen.
Yeah, he doesn't like you.
No.
I don't know. He doesn't. Yeah, I don't know why he keeps doing it. You got the grenade launcher? Yeah, I'll think I can try to get that behind us in the circuit. Well, passing mode. I couldn't get on.
Could have been a loose connection.
if I get fast.
Alright, let's get all these cables unplugged.
Now I'm not a
One last screw.
Yeah, now I'm not a devastator now. I just fell off my bike. Get in. Get in.
Okay, now time to remove the broken stuff. Use a Wagner heat gun with a pointed tip at 950 degrees. We're going to be doing an LCD replacement on this because the LCD is broken. LCD replacements more because the LCDs cost more. The glass repair is just this piece of glass here, and if the picture behind it's broken, blotched or lines or blacked out or whatever, you have to replace the whole LCD assembly. If you're interested in becoming a tech with TechMD, go to our website and look at the franchising info. It's pretty awesome to be a tech. We're looking for techs US wide. Just get my tool in here and start separating. Try to keep above the adhesive so we can salvage it. We're gonna have to get under the LCD here. Put your tool under there and start digging. Throw that old stuff away. Old adhesive seems to not be very good anymore, so we're going to replace it with some Gorilla Glue. Also, we're going to use some red adhesive on the bottom to ensure that the new display seals to it. Go ahead and peel off this other side of the double-sided tape. Put a little tad of Gorilla Glue good for glass and plastic. Just tad on our eye opener. This is a custom-made eye opener. You can just slide the old metal piece downward so that way you have a handle, and then hockey tape the rest. Works really good this way. And we'll make a video in the future on how to make one. Gorilla Glue takes about 2 hours to dry, and you want to tell the customer to put it under pressure for a couple hours to ensure a good seal. Pressure like a case of water. You can put it flat down on its glass with a book on top and like a 10-pound dumbbell. Just about 10 to 20 pounds of weight. Okay, then once you get it all through here, make sure this is lined up properly. It's really important. Hey, how you doing? What do you got for me?
Ooh, it's Nokia.
Nokia. Okay, I'm almost finished with them. Let's snap all this in. And I'm not talking to myself, I'm actually making a little video. Clipping. No, you're fine, don't worry about it. Clipping the antenna here. I'm just making a whole bunch of videos.
That's in here?
Or here, that's fine, I don't care. Unless you like watching GTA.
I'll watch the video.
Okay, no problem.
The game.
So we're gonna put this clip back on here. And then before doing anything else, you want to test it. Make sure that it's all plugged in right before screwing it all down.
Sony's a lot, or Microsoft's better. I haven't seen them in Sony at all. It's before? Yeah.
I remember the code.
There what?
I remember the code.
Yeah, hopefully you didn't forget it.
Ow. Ow. Hey, get away from me.
Okay, come on. What game is this?
GTA.
GTA. I haven't seen this in years.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. It's pretty addicting.
I know.
We play it all the time.
Probably like 5 versions ago.
No. Please.
We do get to the house.
Ow. Hey, get away from me.
Where are you, buddy?
Hi, dear.
Okay, and that's the Galaxy 4. Looks all good.